You can just slowly go. It's totally cool.
I'm just figuring out like the brakes and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Making sure I'm good with that.
How you doing, buddy?
Loving life, man. This is an awesome place. Watch her just be pulling our leg, do a wheelie.
Wheelie.
Off the road.
It's alright. As long as she doesn't fall over, and she's alright. I just don't want her to get hurt. There she's in second. Now she's got to turn around. There we go. First gear. Good. Good. Alright, now she's going to have to back it up. Or go over. Oh, gas it, gas it, gas it. Good, good. Oh, yeah, she got it. Huh. There she goes.
So what's down there? Just more trails?
Yeah, it goes all the way down this ridge.
Oh, cool.
She's just sort of stuck downhill in this hole, and she just needs to give it enough gas to get out.
Yeah. Gas, gas, gas.
There she goes.
It's a smooth start.
Hear all the tools knocking around in the back.
That's pretty cool. It's a little crazy for me because I'm used to being in like a parking lot.
Oh, yeah?
It's a little different than a parking lot.
Definitely a little bit different.
But if you stay on the dirt, you'll be alright. You won't have to worry about trying to get over the hills or anything.
What's that?
So if you stay on the dirt, like on this, you'll be okay.
If you stay on the dirt, you'll be good.
Yeah.